$10. 30 pounds of laundry. Wash and fold it, 1 hour and 40 minutes.
Now we're headed to Dumaguete. We are in Manila Airport, Terminal 2. And the highlight for today is we met Ivana Alawi, the famous vlogger in the whole world.
Coco Grande
in Dumaguete. She is miserable. And we're off. Coco Grande Hotel. Let's see if it's worth $45 with a free breakfast. You ready? Now watch where you're walking. This is the Philippines. You got to watch where you walk. See that hole? You can't step in those. Huh? Yes, it's Dumaguete. That's right. Dumaguete, Philippines. You gotta watch your step, right? See the hole? You gotta watch them. You gotta walk. You gotta walk. There you go. Go, Carrie. Come on. All right, we made it. We made it. Oh, feel the heat. Does that feel good? I like that. This one? Thank you. Come on. Let's go. This way. Come on. Come on. $10. 30 pounds of laundry. Wash and fold it, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Motorcycles. Come here, on this side. Come on here. All right, hang on, stand right there. Don't move. There we go. Come here. Come on. She's like, what are we doing? So, this is what you got to get used to. You're going to learn how to deal with all this. find this gym somewhere around here. I think we're close. Jerry's. No. I might need to go down one more street. Maybe that's it down there. You never know where something is at. Well, yeah, you do. Erase that. But everywhere you go, you might be surprised by what you find. Thought I'd missed it. Thought I was on the wrong street. Nope, it was right there. Just didn't even recognize it. 3rd floor. That little sign right there. You got a gym. See what we got. Let's get up here, 3rd floor. Found me a nice little gym from the 1960s. I'm gonna hang out here for a few days, see how it works out. You know, old school, this came out a decade before old school. My new friend Daniel over here getting it.